video helps you learn easy English. Listen and enjoy a family story. Learn new words and speak with confidence.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my sweethearts. Oh no, what is that? A frog? A big green frog?
Surprise us!
You almost gave me a heart attack at 7 in the morning. Why a frog?
Because today is Adventure Day. And frogs love water.
That is true. Good morning, my little frogs.
Mom, Dad, look outside!
Wow, the sea is blue and shiny.
The sea is so blue today. And I smell fresh pineapple.
Yes, it smells sweet.
I have a big plan.
Big plan?
Yes, a big plan. After breakfast, we go on a boat trip to the mangroves.
What? A boat? With fish? And maybe crocodiles?
No crocodiles, I hope.
Only trees, birds, and calm water.
Eat your toast. We need energy.
Can I wear the frog mask on the boat?
Only if you promise not to jump in the water.
I promise. Okay, aloha! Aloha? What does that mean?
Aloha means hello.
It also means goodbye.
And love.
Aloha, Mom! Aloha, Dad!
Aloha, my explorers.
Hello! Are you the Lee family?
Yes, we are.
I'm Kimo. I'm your guide today.
Welcome to Hawaii.
We go to the mangroves by boat.
Will we see animals?
Yes, birds, fish, maybe turtles.
Turtles!
Let's learn some words.
Mangrove. Mangrove.
Mangrove.
Swamp.
Swamp.
Paddle.
Paddle.
Very good. Better than my English.
Look, a fish jumps. It's so fast. The fish is very fast.
Listen, the birds are singing. Many birds.
Red ones. Blue ones.
A turtle. Look, a green turtle. It is swimming near our boat.
That is a green sea turtle.
It is very old and peaceful.
Hello, turtle.
Aloha, turtle.
I think she says aloha back.
The trees have legs. Look, they have long legs.
Yes, these are mangroves. The roots help the land stay strong.
Nature is smart.
Very smart. Nature knows how to protect itself.
Look, a rainbow.
In Hawaii, rainbows mean good luck.
Best day ever. We saw fish, trees, and a rainbow.
This is a secret beach. It is quiet and very special.
It's beautiful. It looks so calm and peaceful. Soft sand. It looks very nice to walk on.
Fresh coconut, cold and sweet coconut water.
Mahalo! Thank you very much.
Sweet. It tastes really sweet and fresh. What's this? I see a picture on the rock.
Careful. That is a petroglyph.
A picture in stone? Someone made it long ago?
Yes, people made these pictures long ago. Very old. People made this a long, long time ago. This is the end of our trip. Thank you for coming with me today.
Thank you, Kimo. We learned many new things today. I liked the turtle, the trees, and the pictures in stone.
It was a beautiful trip. Thank you for teaching us so much.
Yes, this was a calm and special day.
I want to draw the turtle and the mangrove trees.
Today we traveled far, and we learned together.
Today was a good day. We learned, we laughed, and we were together.